5 shootings involving law enforcement in 24 hours across the state. Chandler, Flagstaff, Phoenix, Coolidge, and the Arizona Department of Public Safety. The string of shootings started in the high country with the shooting that led to an AZ DPS helicopter crashing.
And as we shared at the top of the hour, 2 DPS employees, workers, one a pilot, civilian pilot, and then a DPS deputy paramedic. They were both killed when the chopper went down west of downtown Flagstaff.
In Phoenix last night, 4 DPS troopers were hurt during a shootout. This happened near I-17 and Indian School. According to DPS, troopers were looking for a suspect at a mobile home park who had an extensive criminal record on drugs and weapons-related charges. During a shootout with the suspect, one of the troopers was shot in the shoulder. 3 other troopers reportedly hurt by shrapnel. They're all back home recovering tonight. The suspect, still unidentified, was also shot and taken to the hospital.
Now, hours earlier in West Phoenix, police were involved in a shooting near 75th Avenue and Thomas. The suspect was a woman wanted in a murder case, driving in the area. When officers tried to pull her over, she refused to get out. After firing less lethal rounds, she pointed a gun, according to police, at an officer who then fired. The suspect was rushed to the hospital with life-threatening injuries. No officers hurt.
In the East Valley, Chandler police pulled over a vehicle for a traffic violation. They say the passenger jumped out and as they ran from the car, started shooting. One of the officers returned fire. Other officers arrived at the scene and shot the suspect. They were also bitten by a canine and transported to the hospital. They are expected to survive and no one else was hurt.
And then an incident southeast of the valley. Coolidge police say one of their officers was involved in a shooting outside of their station. Police say that officers responded to a domestic disturbance, encountered a suspect wielding a machete who refused orders to drop it. Now, we don't have any details on the condition of that suspect, but we are told no officers were hurt and there is no threat to the community. The Pinellas County Sheriff's Office will investigate.